Today we're going to take a look at Hedera Hashgraph, also known as HBAR. We're going to learn how to liquid stake it, and we're also going to learn how to farm it for some juicy APRs. Let's go. Welcome back to the APY Guy Crypto and DeFi channel, where I try to bring you the best projects and information in the crypto space. If you like crypto and decentralized finance, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay, a couple things we're going to need to stake and farm HBAR will be the Hashpack wallet, which looks like this, and we'll also need some HBAR tokens, which I got mine on KuCoin, and I transferred them over to my Hashpack wallet. Okay, so I've got the HBAR in my wallet, and then now I'm going to show you how to go over and stake it. There's a staking option in the wallet, but this one's better because I like the liquid staking option, so you can take your tokens and we can go farm them somewhere else. Okay, now that we got our wallet all set up, we're going to go to the staking site, which is going to be hedera.staterlabs.com. You would recognize this if you watch this channel a lot. We are staking Matic at Stater Labs as well. So hedera.staterlabs.com/pools. So we're going to make sure that I'm going to show you how to connect the wallet. Let's disconnect, and we're going to get 31.26 APY just from staking it. That's before we take it over to the farm. So if you hit connect wallet, we're going to connect our Hashpack wallet because that's what we're using. And we're going to approve the connection, and it's going to show us what we have. So just for this, I'm going to let's see, 20. Let's go to our wallet because I want to. We'll do 20 tokens just to show you how it works. So when you stake them, you're going to get less of the liquidity token, which is the HBAR. That's because the HBAR is accruing interest as time goes on. So as time goes on, one HBAR will be worth less than one HBAR, less and less and less as it goes, because it's accruing interest from being staked. Okay, so if we do 20 and we hit stake, then it's going to ask us to execute the smart contract, and the network fee is 0.62 HBAR. That's not bad. That's less than a nickel. So we're going to approve it. We'll see how long it takes here. It's executing the transaction. I've really liked HBAR over the last couple of years. I think it's going to be huge in the next bull run. It's got so many use cases. Staking. Okay, so we're staking. So we got those. So what we do now, since we had to look at you could stop here and you could have your 30-some% APY, which is really good, but we're going to go one better. Okay, so since we're done staking, now we're going to go farm. And to go farming, we're going to go to saucerswap.finance. They got the UFO alien vibe going here. So when we get to this website, we're going to go, or the protocol, we're going to connect our wallet. And we're going to connect our Hashpack. We're going to approve. Get done. And we're going to we'll check out the swap site, which is cool. It looks like the sauce token's about a nickel. Hedera is almost 8 cents right now. I bought some the other day, it was around 5 cents, so I got a deal on that. So they got a nice swap, a bunch of different tokens on here, some stable coins, and then there's where to add liquidity, and then I think they're gonna have single staking eventually, but we're going to the farm. Okay, so on the farm they have a bunch of different farming pairs, but the one I'm interested in is right here, HBAR, which that's called the liquidity token, and then the regular HBAR. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a liquidity pair with that. I do have some in here already. It's only been a few hours, and I've got almost 0.2 HBAR and almost half of a sauce token. Awesome passive income, because you're making passive income off the liquidity staking, and you're making it off the we're going to be making off the farming. So 52.28% is really good, because you're getting that, plus you're getting the 31 on half of the liquidity pair, and then plus you're not getting any impermanent loss because they're both HBAR. So this is great. I was really excited about this one. I was been waiting for this to come out. So I guess they're the aliens coming down to chill with the cow at the farm, I guess. Okay, so liquidity pair. So if we go to token A is HBAR, token B will be HBAR-X. Right there. And we don't want to do max on any of them, or on the HBAR, because we want to leave some for gas fees. So let's do 500. That's not $500, that's 500 tokens. And we're going to supply that. And then we're going to approve it. And I guess you can see the raw transaction. So that would be the entire transaction from start to finish. We're just going to go ahead and approve it. It was really fast last time. And yeah, this site, I've kind of looked at it a lot, non-financial advice, but I haven't seen any issues with it yet, with, you know, any red flags or shady stuff going on. The Discord looks good, the Twitter looks good, everything. Okay, so then we have our liquidity tokens. So we take our liquidity tokens over to the farm, and we go down to the HBAR-X farm, and we're going to stake. And we're going to stake the maximum of our LP tokens. And we're going to hit stake, and then it's going to ask us if you want to execute the smart contract. It's staked. Transaction succeeded. There we go. So we have a bunch of HBAR-X liquidity tokens staked on Saucer Swap. So when we stake the new ones, they're going to automatically claim the new reward tokens for us. So I should have a little bit of sauce. We got a half a sauce, and then we got a little bit more HBAR from that. So I'm just going to let this ride for, you know, a few months. Okay, if you look at my chart here, this is the 2-day. This is KuCoin's chart, so it's not the full lifetime of the coin. But I guess KuCoin got it right when it just shot up to all-time highs. So all-time highs are around 57 cents. So, you know, we're getting this at, what's it at right now? A nickel, 7 cents, I think. 7 cents, I think. Where are we at? 8 cents right now. Yeah, so, you know, if we get a little pullback down to around 6-7 cents, I'm going to definitely pick up some more. So it's a nice getting the staking and then getting the farming, dual APRs, and we can just keep claiming rewards on the farm, and then take the rewards and sell the rewards off into more HBAR, and then just compound. Or you could, you know, split it up if you want a little higher APY. We could do the HBAR sauce pool, where you're getting 135.18%, 0.16%. So yeah, there's multiple ways to play this. I think I'm going to play it safe and just stack HBAR tokens. But it's really nice having this low impermanent loss. They could be 0 impermanent loss because they're both HBAR. So you go to liquid staking, take it over here, you farm it, and then you can just compound, or you can go into one of these other pools. Okay, that'll do it. Please like the video and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.